Hello everyone. Forgot your login password? How to reset the login password on Windows 7. This is the PassFab channel. This video will show you 3 ways to reset your Windows 7 password. Method 1. Reset Windows 7 password using command prompt. Select Restart the computer. Press F8 to open the advanced boot options. Select the safe mode with command prompt and press Enter. Wait for the safe mode to complete loading. At the command prompt, type the following command. Check the account in Windows 7. Type in your account name and new password. OK, the password reset is complete. Restart your computer. Log into Windows 7 with the new password. Method 2. Reset Windows 7 password using password reset disk. This method is to prevent forgetting your password. You can do this when you remember your password. Insert the USB. Open the computer. Select Open Control Panel. Choose the user account. Select Create a Password Reset Disk. Click Next. Select the inserted USB and click Next. Type the current account password. Click Next and Yes. OK, password reset disk creation is complete. When you forget your password, you can insert the password reset disk. Click Reset Password. Click Next and select the password reset disk. Now, set the new password. Click Next and Finish. Type in the new password to open Windows 7. Method 3. Reset Windows 7 password using PassFab 4-Win key. Launch PassFab 4-Win key on the accessible computer. Insert an empty USB and select it. Click Next. Wait for the boot disk creation to complete. OK, check the operating instructions. Insert the boot disk into your Windows 7 computer. Select Restart Computer. When the computer restarts, press F12 to open the boot menu. Select USB boot. Wait for PassFab 4-Win key to complete loading. In the PassFab 4-Win key interface, select Windows 7 and click Next. Choose the account for which you need to reset the password. Click Reset Account Password and Next. Type in the new password and click Reset. When the password reset is complete, click Reboot. OK, the account password reset is complete. Enter the new password to log into Windows 7. Well, that's how to reset Windows 7 password. If you have any questions during the process, please leave them in the comment section below. We will respond positively to your message and help you solve the problem. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. see you in the next video.